Hello students, now we are continuing the next points of vector, that is exercise 5.3. We have studied about the points already, that is unit vector along a bar is denoted by a cap and is given by formula, that is a cap is equal to a bar divided by modulation of a bar. We have already studied about the unit vector of any vector. Then dot product, scalar product, its properties. When we take two vectors, suppose that is a bar dot b bar is equal to b bar dot a bar. If a bar is perpendicular to b bar, if two vectors, that is a bar and b bar, that is perpendicular, a bar is perpendicular to b bar, at that time we denote its dot product, that is a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. We use these properties when solving examples of exercise 5.3. Number third, that is a bar dot a bar is equal to modulation of a bar square is equal to a square. And we know that the vectors axis x axis, y axis, z axis, x axis denotes I cap, y axis j cap and z axis k cap. When we take itself, that is I cap dot I cap, itself dot product, that is itself dot product, we get I cap dot I cap is equal to 1, j cap dot j cap is equal to 1 and k cap dot k cap is equal to 1. And when we take its alternate dot product, that is I cap dot j cap is equal to 0, I cap dot k cap is equal to 0 and j cap dot k cap is equal to 0. Then next point, that is angle between two vectors. Suppose a bar and b bar two vectors, its angle between them, that is cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar divided by modulation of a bar dot modulation of b bar. Its cos theta is a bar dot b bar divided by modulation of a bar dot modulation of b bar. Therefore, the value of angle, that is theta only, is equal to cos inverse a bar dot b bar divided by modulation of a bar dot modulation of b bar. Then number first, when the value of cos theta is greater than 0, that is its dot product a bar dot b bar is greater than 0, when its angle, that is suppose a bar vector and b bar vector, theta angle, that is acute angle, at that time a bar dot b bar is greater than 0. And we take two vectors, that is a bar dot b bar, then make angle is right angle triangle, therefore cos theta is equal to 0, that is a bar dot b bar, when we take its dot product of two vectors at right angle, that is 0. And angle is obtuse, two vectors, that is a bar and b bar, make the angle obtuse angle, at that time its dot product is less than 0, therefore cos theta is less than 0, that is a bar dot b bar is less than 0. And projection of a point's scalar projection of b bar on a bar, that is a bar dot b bar divided by modulation of a bar. Projection of, we take the points b bar vector on a bar vector, that is equal to a bar dot b bar divided by modulation of a bar. And scalar projection of a bar on b bar, that is a bar dot b bar divided by modulation of b bar. We use these formulas. Then cross product of vector products, cross product or vector products. If value of a bar is equal to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap and b bar is equal to b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap, then its cross product denote, that is a bar cross b bar is equal to, we make a determinant, that is I, j, k caps, then a bar values, that is a1, a2, a3 and b bar values b1, b2, b3. We solve and we get its cross product of two vectors, that is a bar cross b bar. And a bar cross b bar is perpendicular vector to the plane of a bar on b bar. For a plane containing two vectors, plane containing, that is two vectors, suppose that is vector a bar and vector b bar. In the plane, that is two plane perpendicular direction are given by, that denotes the positive or negative, that is plus or minus modulation of a bar cross b bar. Suppose this vector and second vector, then it denotes its cross product, that is upper side it is positive, that is plus, and lower side in number line denotes the negative numbers, that is minus a bar cross b bar. Now we solve the exercise 5.3. Question number first. Find two unit vector each of which is perpendicular to both u bar and phi bar, where u bar is equal to 2i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap value and phi bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap value. When we solving of this example, we use the last point, that is a bar and b bar are perpendicular to each other. Two vectors that is perpendicular to each other. At that time we denote its upper side positive, that is plus cross product, and minus cross product we denote here. In answer, given first vectors, that is vector u bar is equal to 2i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap, and vector phi bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. Two unit vectors each of which is perpendicular to both the vectors u bar and phi bar. It is perpendicular. Therefore we denote in the place of a bar cross b bar, we take here u bar cross b bar. Then also we denote minus u bar cross b bar. U bar cross phi bar. Given examples u bar and phi bar. We know that it's cross product. Therefore we write u bar cross phi bar is equal to determinant I cap, j cap, k cap. Put the values of u bar, that is 2, 1, minus 2. Then phi bar value, that is 1, 2, minus 2. We solve the determinant. We know that how to solve determinant. Then is equal to I cap in bracket minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Minus 2 into plus 2, that is minus 4, and in formula minus 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 plus 4. Then minus j cap, minus 2 into 2 we get minus 4. Then minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2, and in formula minus 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 plus, then we write plus 2. And last term, that is k cap, we multiply 2 into 2, 4, and 1 into 1, minus 1, is equal to I cap in bracket minus 2 plus 4, that is plus 2, minus j cap in bracket minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2, plus k cap 4 minus 1, that is 3. Then is equal to 2i cap minus minus plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. It is the value of u bar cross phi bar. 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Then we find its determinant or modulation. Its modulation value. Therefore, the modulation of u bar cross phi bar is equal to under root 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square is equal to under root 4 plus 4 plus 3 square is 9. That is equal to under root 17. It is the value of modulation of u bar cross phi bar. Unit vector. We know that the unit vector formula, that is, suppose we take any vector a bar is equal to its unit vector is a bar divided by modulation of a bar. We use here and put the values. Therefore, unit vector of modulation of u bar cross phi bar, that is, we denote, suppose unit vector e cap is equal to plus or minus u bar cross phi bar divided by modulation of u bar cross phi bar. Put the values of u bar cross phi bar and modulation of u bar cross phi bar is equal to plus or minus 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. It is the value of u bar cross phi bar divided by modulation of u bar cross phi bar, that is under root 17. We write separately is equal to, when we write separately we get plus or minus 2i cap divided by under root 17 plus 2j cap divided by under root 17 plus 3k cap divided by under root 17. Therefore, the unit vector of u bar cross phi bar, that is equal to plus or minus 2i cap divided by under root 17 plus 2j cap divided by under root 17 plus 3k cap divided by under root 17. It is the unit vector of u bar cross phi bar. Okay, we will stop here.